To clean, wash, or polish your RANGER XP Kinetic, follow these steps. High water pressure may damage components. Polaris recommends washing the vehicle by hand or with a garden hose and using mild soap. Certain products, including insect repellents and chemicals, will damage plastic surfaces. Do not allow these types of products to contact the vehicle. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park and remove the key. If the vehicle is connected to a charger, disconnect the charger from the charge port. Using a professional type washing cloth and working in small sections, clean the upper body of the vehicle first and the lower body of the vehicle last. Make sure to rinse your Kinetic with clean water frequently. Drying your Kinetic with a chamois cloth will prevent water spotting. Always avoid the use of harsh chemicals, which can scratch the finish. Do not use medium to heavy-duty compounds on the finish. Always use clean cloths and pads for cleaning and polishing. Using old or reused cloths and pads may contain dirt particles that will scratch the finish. Grease all Zerk fittings immediately after washing. If an informational or graphic label becomes illegible or comes off, contact your Polaris dealer or other qualified person to purchase a replacement. Replacement safety labels are provided by Polaris at no charge. After cleaning, allow time for electrical components to dry before operating. To polish your vehicle, Polaris recommends the use of common household aerosol furniture polish for polishing the finish on your Polaris vehicle. Avoid the use of automotive products, some of which can scratch the finish of your vehicle. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.